Hello and welcome to Maths by SARS. This is my 7th lesson of D3, chapter number 6, exercise 6b, that is the application of distance formula. In this lesson, I will solve question number 7. Let's read the question first and let's understand the question. Question 7 says the diagram shows a triangle ABC with vertices A minus 1 and 1, B minus 1 and minus 2, minus 1 and minus 2, and C is 3 and minus 1. Find the length AB, BC and AC. Very easy. We just have to apply distance formula on the vertices AB, BC and AC, and we can find these distances. Area of triangle ABC. Okay, and the next part says the coordinates of point E are 3 and K, and area of triangle BCE is 14 units square. Find the possible values of K. Okay, let's move to the solution of question, and we will discuss each part one by one. The first requirement of the question is that we have to find the lengths AB, BC and AC. Given points are:
A has the coordinates A minus 1 and 1, B has the coordinates B minus 1 and minus 2, and C has the coordinates C 3 and minus 1. And now
we have to apply the distance formula. Okay, AB equals to, let it be D1, and I have to support my working with the formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and then I have to put the square root. Okay, and AB, distance between AB, this is the second point, so its coordinates will be taken as x2 and y2, minus 1 and minus multiplied by minus, that will become plus. So we should not forget the role of integers, plus y2 minus 2 and minus 1, minus 2 minus 1 whole square, and square root. Let me make it clear. This will be going, and I will left with minus 3 square, and minus 3 square of the number, whether that is negative or positive, will become positive, and this is D1 is 3 units, because the number whose square is 9 is 3. Coming to BC distance, BC equals to D2, and again I have to apply distance formula on the coordinates B and C. Here I'm not going to use a formula, I will be going direct. Okay, x2 minus x1 3, and this 1 is already negative, so it will become positive, 3 plus 1 whole square, and plus y2 minus 1 and minus multiplied by minus will become positive, so this will become positive 2, and then 3 plus 1 is 4 square plus 1 square, and this is 16 plus 1 square root 17, square root 17. And then what I have to do, if it is paper 1, then you can leave your working at this place, and in paper 2 calculator will be allowed, then you can give your answer to 2 decimal places or 3 significant figures. This is equal to 4.112 units. Okay, and now the third distance, AC, AB, BC and AC. Now AC equals to D3 equals to x2, that is 3, minus 1, that is again positive 1, 3 plus 1 whole square, plus minus 1, and this 1 is positive, it will become negative whole square. This is 4 square plus minus 2 square. This is 16 plus 4, which is equal to square root 20, and then I have to evaluate square root 20 with the help of calculator. This will give me 4.47 units. Okay, I hope that I have to mark the unit as well. Units. Okay, and now let me quickly block these answers. This is 4.12 units and this is 4.47 units. I hope first problem is solved, and the second is that we have to find the area of triangle. For the area of triangle, area equals to half base into height. Now look how many blocks are there in the base. This is 1, 2 and 3. 1, this is 3 half, and height 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 2 ones are and 2 twos are. Area is 2 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 6 units square. A square. So I hope the problem of area is clear, that is 6 units square. And let me move to the third part of the question. And third part of the question says that we have to find, there is the point E, and E has the coordinates 3 and K, and we have to find the possible values of K. Now try to understand this part graphically, that area of triangle BCE, given area is, area of triangle BCE, BC and E is 14 units square, and this is area given. Okay, area of triangle BCE is 14 units square. Try to understand this part graphically, that BC is already given in the question. We have to try to locate the position of vertex E such that BCE triangle has the area 14 units square. Okay, so what we have to do is that area equals to half base into height. Okay, BC into CE. Okay, and area is 14 units square, half into BC. B to C height is 4, and C to E we have to locate. So what I have to do, 14 multiplied by 2 divided by 14 multiplied by 2 divided by 4 equals to C to E. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, and 2 sevens are. C to E is 7 units. So it means what and how to understand this, that distance between C and E is 7 units. Now look, there is the possibility of E, that E is on this above side of C, or E is below C, but the problem is the distance between C and E must be of 7 units. Okay, now at this stage we are having 1 unit gap from x-axis. Now how many blocks upward we have to move, so the distance between C and E will be 7 units. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If I'm stopping at this place, okay, at this place which is 6, okay, and I'm counting the distance of this point from C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So one of the possibility of E can be that is 6 and with 3 with 6. X value is 3 and Y value is 6. Okay, B, C and E. Let me make the triangle at this position so that my students can understand that triangle easily. One of the possibility is this, that triangle BCE can be at this place, and one of the possibility of vertex E or the point E will be, that is 3 and 6, and this is the one possible value of K. And for the other possible value of K, now again think, if C is at minus 1. So how many units gap from this point will give me 7 units gap between these 2 points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. It means that when I'm stopping at 8 with minus sign, the other possibility of E is 3 with minus 8. 3 with minus 8. Okay, let me make another triangle here. This is the second possibility of E. I hope you are clear that how we are locating the third unknown point for which the area will remain same. So other value of E will be 3 and minus 8. I hope you are clear about today's lesson. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.